Let me show you how I made this adorable Valentine's frosting tree. You're going to need a styrofoam cone, any size that you like. You can sometimes find these cones at the Dollar Tree. I'm just taking a little craft paint. Rosemarie is my most favorite. It's by Craft Smart. You can find it at Michael's. I'm mixing it with white to make a lighter pink. And then I'm just taking a wooden disc, which you can find at nearly every craft store. And I'm just going to go ahead and give that a coat of paint. Next, I'm going to take some DAP lightweight spackle and I'm going to mix that with some more pink paint. You can make whatever shade of pink that you like. And then I loaded that into a big frosting bag with an open star tip. Next, I'm going to take the same shade of pink paint and I'm going to paint my cone. And then glue the cone down to the wood base with some hot glue. Now I'm taking some of the paint and spackle mixture and I am spreading it over the cone. This will help you when you start adding your frosting. So you're just gonna start doing swirl motions along the base. You're looking for kind of a rose shape. So to cover your whole tree, you're going to begin the rose in between two other roses. So you're staggering them. And then you just continue making swirls all the way to the top. Now I'm just taking a clean, damp paintbrush and I'm tapping those little peaks down. You can also, if you're very gentle, use your finger. Now I'm using some light pink iridescent glitter and I'm just going to try to hit every single angle of those roses. And you'll find after you've added glitter to your spackle, it is a lot more sculptable. You can go back through and adjust how it looks and it will stay where you want it to. It's just a lot easier to work with. You don't have to do this, but I personally like to go through with a toothpick and a paintbrush and fix any of these little flaws. I kind of draw in the lines as if the swirl were perfect. It's just something that I like to do. Now I'm taking these heart picks that are from Dollar Tree, going to poke a deep enough hole so I can place it into the top. Now I'm using this Valentine's pearl mix. It has mixed sizes of no-hole pearls in red, white, and light pink. You can get them in many other colors at GlamCandyBoutique.etsy.com, and I'm just sort of playing with them until I figure out my pattern. So here's the final tree, how it looks. I just wanted to show you with the flash so you can see how beautiful and sparkly it is. It looks good enough to eat. It really does. I love it so much. Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays because it's just so unapologetically girly, and I love how we put red and pink together and it's just the most obnoxious combination and it just works in just the best way. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments. Be sure to follow for more if you like making fake sweets.